Please welcome our first guest, MPP Lorne Co.
Thank you. I'm going to start again because I don't think that people at the very back heard me. Good evening, everyone. I'm really pleased to be here this evening. The Cambridge International Academy is a beacon of excellence in education. And I know that, you know that, and thank you for joining us this evening. It's a pleasure to be here to share in the celebration of their commitment in shaping young minds and building a brighter future. The Academy is renowned for its dedication to inquiry-based education, placing a strong emphasis, excuse me, on nurturing students' curiosity and creativity. What truly sets Cambridge International Academy apart is its holistic approach. Here, values like respect, integrity, and excellence are not just words, but guiding principles. Students are not just taught, they're nurtured into responsible citizens, equipped to navigate the complexities of our interconnected society. Now, the government that I am part of as the parliamentary assistant to Premier Ford knows that our students are the future. And with population growth at record high numbers in the province, investments are required when it comes to our children's education. And that's why the Ontario government is investing an historic $1.3 billion to support the construction and expansion of 60 schools across the province. Now, for the first time in the province's history, our government is more than doubling the funding commitment to build more schools and expansions, which will create 27,093 new student spaces and approximately 1,800 childcare spaces. Now, the announcement about those schools is embargoed until the end of May 2024. But after that, I'll have more to say about where those new schools are going to be. These investments are part of our plan to ensure that Ontario's education system focuses on what matters most. Lifelong skills such as reading, writing, and math, improving accountability and transparency for parents and families. Together, we're building more than classrooms, aren't we? We're building a foundation for a brighter future, a future where students have the resources, support, and inspiration they need to succeed in an ever-changing landscape. I want to thank the staff and leadership of the Academy for your unwavering commitment to education and for playing a part in helping our youth to succeed on their journey, their transformative journey. So thank you all for being here, and God bless you all.